Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and this is our Jekyll and Hyde predictions for GCSE English 2024. Now before we get started, don't forget to press the subscribe button, like and share with your friends, as this helps us grow our channel, and I would like to thank you all for the continuous support and the amazing comments. Now let's have a look at it in further detail. Now, what have we seen in previous years, and what are some of the questions that have come up? Now, if you have a look from 2023 to 2022, all the way down to 2017, we see a pattern. Okay, we can clearly see the questions on Jekyll and Hyde has come up numerous times. So, is there the possibility of it coming up this year? I would say unlikely. Okay, so they may want to change it up and switch it up because it has come up previously. The theme of good and evil. So this is something that you've been practicing in class, and also for revision you've looked at the key themes, you've looked at the relevant quotes as well. And again, it's important that you still are going over those key themes, because who knows, it could be a repeat. Now, ultimately, the exam board want to make it as unpredictable as possible. So it's important that you are revising all the key themes, all the key characters. You have your notes ready, you've memorized the key themes, the key quotes, etc. So you're well prepared. Now, in terms of our predictions, it could be that we have a question on artisan and Lanyon. So it's something that you may want to consider because it's yet to come up. And it's important that you are preparing answers based on these characters. In terms of themes, are you looking at the reputation, setting, transformation, and science as well? So these are some important themes that you may want to revise and review. And personally, what I would say is start practicing past papers and also learn some key quotes, okay, because that will save you in the exam. And remember, one thing I said previously, time management. You all need to work on your time management, because unfortunately many students do struggle with their time management. So if you are one of those students, please make sure you time yourself when you're answering these questions, and also importantly, go through all the key themes just so that you are on the safe side. And that is it for today's video. It's very short and very brief, but I hope this has given you some insight in terms of some possible questions that may arise in your exam. If you are interested in joining our online GCSE classes, you can join our amazing classes by contacting us by email, which is easyeducationlondon@gmail.com. Why join our classes, you may ask? We have amazing, fantastic teachers who will support and guide you through your academic journey, where we go through model answers, we provide constructive feedback, we provide predicted papers, and also we provide cheat sheets and many, many more. So what are you waiting for? Join today, as our space is extremely limited. And don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Easy Education London. And thank you for watching, and I shall see you very soon. Thank you.